Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks for effects. First, you need to obtain a command block. Open your chat and type /give it s command block to receive one. These powerful blocks execute specific commands automatically, making them essential for creating custom game mechanics and experiences within your world. Remember, you must have operator permissions to place and configure them. Once you have your command block, place it down like any other block. Right-click it to open its user interface. Here, you can input your command and select its type. There are three types: impulse, which runs once, chain, which runs after another block, and repeat, which runs continuously about 20 times per second. To apply an effect, use the /effect command. For example, /effect at p speed 125 gives the nearest player speed for 120 seconds at level 5. The duration is in seconds, and the amplifier determines the effect's strength, starting from 0 for level 1. This allows precise control over various in-game buffs or debuffs. For a cleaner look, add true at the end of your effect command to hide the particles. For example, /effect at p speed 125 true. You can also chain command blocks together for multiple sequential effects, or use a repeat command block to apply an effect continuously, ensuring it never wears off. This offers immense flexibility for your creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.